The International Space Station is a large spacecraft in orbit around the Earth. It serves as a home where crews of astronauts and cosmonauts live. The space station is also a unique science laboratory. Several nations work together to build and use the space station. The space station is made up of parts that were assembled in space by astronauts. It orbits Earth at an average altitude of approximately 250 miles. It travels at 11,500 meters per hour. This means it orbits Earth every 90 minutes. NASA is using the space station to learn more about living and working in space. These lessons will make it possible to send humans farthest into space than ever before. The space station has the volume of 5-bedroom house or 2 Boeing 747 jet lines. It is able to support a crew of 6 people plus visitors. On Earth, the space station would weigh almost 1,000,000 pounds. Measured from the edges of its solar arrays, the station covers the area of football field, including the end zones. It includes the laboratory modules from the United States, Russia, Japan, and Europe. The main reason the astronauts are at the International Space Station is for science, and the large variety of experiments are done there. What all of the experiments have in common is that they have to improvise with what equipment is available due to the limited space available on the station. There are 2 main research facilities on the space station: the Human Research Facility and the Microgravity Science Glow Box. Many experiments are done at the Human Research Facility to determine how well the human body can adapt to living in space. The Microgravity Glow Box allows astronauts to handle otherwise dangerous fluids in a sealed box using a built-in gloves. At the time this answer was first written, October 2004, Expedition 10's crews of astronauts were working on experiments like observing the photographing natural and man-made changes on Earth over time, as well as short timescale events like storms, so we can better understand our planet. Studying how humans behave in isolation and confinement, leaving the potential future spacecraft equipment outside to see how well it withstands being in space to improve materials used to build spacecraft. And also studying magnetoheliological fluids using the glow box to hopefully lead to the construction of better brake systems, seat suspensions, and airplane landing gears here on Earth. Of course, astronauts do get some free time, during which they usually like to call their families and Facebooks or even Twitter. It's bigger than a football field. The total length of ISS from end to end is about 109 meters, longer than both a proper football field and an American football field, while its livable space is roughly equal to a 5-bedroom house. It's moving at 11,240 meters per hour. The International Space Station orbits the Earth every 90 minutes, and since its launch in 1998, it has completed approximately 60,000 orbits and traveled more than 2.4 billion kilometers. 340 people have been to the station. The first mission to the ISS was on 2nd November 2000, and since then it has been continuously occupied. 17 manned missions on space shuttles and Soyuz spacecraft have flown to the ISS, while over 60 unmanned vehicles have docked with the station. It's the most expensive object ever built at an estimated cost of $100 billion that built by mankind. Roughly half of the total price was contributed by the USA, the rest by other nations including Europe, Japan, and Russia. It weighs more than 320 cars. The ISS is primarily composed of 15 pressurized modules, 7 US, 5 Russian, 2 Japanese, and 1 European, and 4 larger sonar panels. It weighs 420,000 kilograms, which is more than 320 automobiles. And this is all I got in this video. If you like these science facts and facts about the mysteries of the universe, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.